Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Craft Studio, the cozy little place where English feels calm, slow, and friendly. I'm Zoe, and I'm so happy you're here with us today.
And I'm Ryan. Hello, Zoe. And hello to all our amazing listeners around the world. It feels really good to sit here together again.
Ryan, your smile looks different today. It's soft, but also a little nervous. Are you okay?
Yeah, you can see everything. I'm smiling, but inside, I feel nervous. Very nervous
Nervous? About what?
about speaking English.
This is real. And I know many of our friends watching feel the same.
Yes. Today's topic is something close to the heart.
Today, we are talking about I'm nervous to speak English.
And we will talk slowly, clearly, step by step, so you feel safe.
Ryan, you speak English every day. Why do you feel nervous now?
Because sometimes I want to speak perfectly, and when I can't, my brain panics.
Buddy, perfection is not needed here. We are not robots. We are humans with feelings.
Yeah, my feelings speak louder than my English sometimes.
Same. But that nervous feeling, the fast heartbeat, the empty mind, so many English learners feel that.
It's good to hear I'm not alone.
Can you share a small story? A time when you felt nervous speaking English?
Okay, here's one. Last week, I went to a small cafe. I practiced the sentence in my head. I want a coffee, please.
A good, simple sentence.
But when the barista looked at me and said, "Hi, what can I get for you?" My brain said, "Goodbye, I'm leaving." I froze.
Oh, Ryan, buddy.
I felt so embarrassed. I wanted to speak, but no words came out.
It's okay. This happens to almost everyone learning a new language. Even me sometimes.
Good. That makes me feel better.
Let's learn some easy words for talking about nervous feelings. Word 1. Nervous. Nervous means scared or shy.
Nervous.
Word 2. Shy. Shy means you feel quiet around people.
Shy.
Word 3. Calm. Calm means peaceful and relaxed.
Calm.
Word 4. Try. Try means you make an effort.
Try.
Word 5. Practice. Practice means you repeat something to learn it.
Practice.
Great job. These words will help us today. Step 1. Breathe. Simple and slow. When you feel nervous, first, breathe. Deep breathe in. Slow breathe out.
This really helps me. My mind becomes softer.
Step 2. Use simple sentences. Don't try long sentences. Use short ones. I feel nervous. I can try. One moment, please.
Simple is powerful.
Step 3. Speak slowly. Slow English is clear English. You do not need to speak fast.
Yes, fast speaking is not my sport.
And that's okay. Step 4. Practice with a safe person. Practice with someone who is kind, patient, someone like me.
Yes, you are kind. Except when you hide your snacks.
Ryan, don't expose me like that.
Okay. I'll only tell the viewers a little.
Buddy, Focus. Repeat after me. I feel nervous.
I feel nervous.
It's okay.
It's okay.
I can speak slowly.
I can speak slowly.
I am learning every day.
I am learning every day.
Let's practice. Hi, Ryan. How are you today?
I'm a little nervous, but I can try.
That's great. I'm proud of you.
Thank you. I want to practice English with you.
I'm happy to help. Let's speak slowly together, friends. If you enjoy learning English with us, please subscribe to English Craft Studio.
And give this video a thumbs up. It helps our cozy little studio grow.
And share this video with a friend who feels nervous speaking English.
We have a question for you.
Do you feel nervous speaking English?
Write a simple sentence. I feel nervous when...
We love reading your answers. Thank you for learning with us today.
You are improving. You are learning. And you are not alone.
See you next time.